Hello friends, welcome once again to OBAAPA'S recipes. Today I'm going to show you how to prepare the simple but tasty peanut butter soup. So let's get started. Alright, so we have our ingredients lined up right here, and we're going to start by adding fresh chicken. And this is an old chicken that I'm using right here. So next I have here 1 tomato and I have medium onion. And also I'm adding my habanero pepper. Next, I have my spices. I'm adding here my chopped onion powder, and I have here my garlic powder. With this recipe, you can use any spices of your preference, because some of the spices that I use in my cooking, sometimes depending on where you are, it's hard to find. But if you are in the US, you cannot find some from Costco. So next, I'm adding here habanero pepper, and also I have here my pink salt. And this is not Maggi. This is called pink salt. Yes, I really love. It's very healthy for you. So after you added all your spices, go ahead and stir. And I'm gonna add about 2 tablespoons of tomato paste. So next, I'm gonna add about 1 cup of water. And this is about 6 ounces of water. So go ahead and stir and make sure that it is well and nice seasoning. After that, go ahead and cover that, and then we are using about a medium heat to prepare this soup. And also we're going to leave it to steam for about 20 minutes. Okay, so on this side I have here my peanut butter, and I really love this peanut butter because it only have 1 gram of sugar. Usually the ones that they have it at the store, you can get it like 5 grams, and that is a lot, and we don't need that much sugar in our soup. Okay, so on this side I'm gonna start making the peanut butter. So I usually added onion, garlic, and ginger, and also I added about 2 tablespoons of tomato paste, and I'm using about 1 cup of peanut butter. So next I added water in here, and this is what we're gonna use to prepare our soup. In fact, friends, this soup smells amazingly, and our tomato is nicely cooked. So at this point, you can just go ahead and remove everything and blend it and put it aside. Okay, so back to our soup. Our peanut butter is nicely blended. As you can tell, it looks very nice and well spiced or seasoning. That is what you want your peanut butter to taste. And also using fresh chicken in addition to this soup is going to be really fantastic, okay? And I really want you guys to try this amazing peanut butter soup. And if this is your first time and you have not tried this soup before, I'm going to encourage you to try this and make this at home for your loved ones. And trust me, they are going to fall in love with this soup. So we're gonna cover it halfway and then have it boil. So it's been boiling for about 20 minutes, and this is how it looks like. And gradually we're gonna let it cook until it is ready. So here I'm adding my pepper, tomato, and onion that we just cooked. Yeah, this is like the perfect time. And how to tell that this soup is done? Of course, it's peanut butter. It's gonna develop oil on top of that, and you're gonna see that the amount of the soup is gonna definitely reduced. That's why you get to know that it is ready. So next I'm gonna garnish that with bakushito, or you can use any vegetable of your preference, okay? And of course, peanut butter goes really well with rice ball. That is a mutio I am making right here. Or you can also serve this with fufu, bangkun, abetie, that is face the wall, gari, you know, eba. You can just eat with whatever you want to eat with. But in Ghana, when you make peanut butter soup, is either you eat with fufu or rice ball, because it goes really well with that. Like I said, if this is your first time, please give this a try, and then you will be really surprised that the taste of this soup now, you'll always come for more. Alright friends, so as you can tell, the food is ready. It looks really delicious. I really want you guys to try this soup, because hey, it's almost weekend and I'm making this recipe for you guys, and then so you can share. So I hope you really enjoyed this video. Easy peasy soup, and you have a very delicious meal in front of you. Thank you so much for watching, friends. This is how I prepare my authentic Ghanaian soup. I hope you share this video for me. Until I see you again, stay safe and have a blessed day.